Our love is unconditional. We knew it from the start. I see it in your eyes. You can feel it from my heart. From here on after, stay the way we are right now. It's all the love and laughter of a lifetime will allow. I cross my heart and promise to, if all I've got to give, make all your dreams come true. In all the world, you'll never find a love that's true as mine. You will always be a miracle that makes my life complete. As long as there's a breath in me, I'll make yours just as sweet. As we look into the future, as far as we can see, and so let's make each tomorrow be the best that it can be. I cross my heart and promise to, give all I've got to give, make all your dreams come true. In all the world, you'll never find a love as true as mine. And if it's along the day, we find the day it starts to storm, you got the promise of my love to keep you warm. In all the world, you'll never find a love that's true as mine. A love that's true as mine.